To print a simple message on screen using Python, we use print and hello world. To run this, we simply use it will print on the screen. We have created two variable, number one, number two, and there's created variable three and storing the value of num1 plus num2 and print on the screen, print, and then sum. Let's run this and it will show us the sum. Now if we create an array or list in Python, simply by using curly square brackets, 1 comma is inside a string and then a decimal number 0.3 and print the array content, print, right? It will show us the array characters elements one by one. To use for loop, we will simply for loop on that array and let's run this. It will show us the elements inside array one by one.